Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. The video you're about to see, I said it was for all S Pixies, but that's not true. It's not for S Pixies. It's for the regular version 3 and 4 Pixies. The S Pixie, to me, what I consider an S Pixie is the Pixie kit that has the plexiglass, enclosure. That's an S Pixie to me. That has the so-called VFO in the middle. It has a shorting clip to turn your, your sound on and off from your keying. That is an S Pixie, and I was wrong in this film because those S Pixies have metal film resistors, where the version 3 and version 4 Pixies have carbon film. All right, the only way you're really going to be able to tell is the Chinese metal films are blue and the carbon film resistors are brown. So the video that you're about to see are on the Pixies without the plexiglass case. It's the version 3 and 4s. I don't want to have one handy. Yes, I do. Hang on one second, guys. I'll be right with you. I got both 3 and 4 right here in my drawers. All right, this is the 3 and 4. They have no plexiglass case, and there's not a plexiglass case available for these unless you make it yourself. All right, these are the ones that don't have the big VFO knob out of the top or the shorting clip. But the version 4 does have a sounder on it. The version 3 doesn't. All right. So these resistors you're about to see are for these two types, the version 3 and version 4, without the plexiglass case. All right. It's kind of confusing, but I'm pretty sure it's going to help you guys out. You'll see it when you get your kit. Either you got the blue resistors or you get the brown resistors. I'm going to do another video with the metal film resistors and give you the color code on that. It's primarily the reason that I'm making this film is just so you can see the color code. You'll see what I mean when you see the video. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Ring that bell, hit the subscribe, like, and it's all about you. Thank you very much. All right, guys, let's see if this will work. I'm just going to pan across so you guys can stop the film here for a second, write everything down, and then I'm going to come in for a real close look at each one of these so you can see the color code on them. That's yellow, violet, orange, gold for the 47, and that's orange, 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 gold for the 33K. Brown, black, what is it? Is that a red? Yeah. It's supposed to be brown, black, red, gold for 1K. Yellow, violet, brown, and gold for the 470 ohm. And that is 10K is brown, black, red, gold. 100K, I don't know if you can see that. That's supposed to be brown, black, yellow, gold. And the 10 ohm is brown, black, black, gold. And that's for all Pixie kits, all of the version 3, version 4, and the S Pixie. This doesn't include, like S Horse or S, what's the other one? S49ers or anything like that. This is just the Pixie kit, the standard S Pixie, or the version 3 and version 4 Pixie. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps.